morning, ABE stars. I'm Haley.
And I'm Ponce. We are your ABE TV anchors.
Today is Tuesday, May 14th, and it is a C1 day for special areas.
It is Teacher Appreciation Week. It's not too late to write notes to your teachers.
There are extra sheets in the office if you need one.
Today's birthday stars are Zane Barnett,
Grace Sheely,
and Malik Tabesh.
Come down to the office for your birthday pencils and have a more than great birthday.
Today's lunch entrees will be chili mac with garlic toast or pizzata.
The sides will be mixed veggies, baby carrots with dip, and assorted fruits. Today's joke is from a mystery joker.
What word is always spelled incorrectly?
I don't know. What?
Incorrectly.
Today's pledge leaders are from Mrs. Swanson's class.
Take it away, second graders.
Hi, my name is Emma.
Hi, my name is James.
Hi, my name is Leila. Hi, my name is Carrick.
Hi, my name is Josie. Hi, my name's Kendall. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated. Today's fun fact is, scientists have discovered that when your fingers get pruny, it helps you grip wet objects.
Wow, that's really interesting. I'll think about that next time I have pruny fingers in the water.
Thanks for watching ABE TV. This is Ponce.
And this is Haley saying please take a moment of silence and have a great week.